Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey everybody, good morning on this cold Friday morning. I think the best news I have for you at this hour, as I make this at 3:55 in the morning, is the winds are not too bad. Wind chill not as awful as it could be. Wind chills are in the teens across North Alabama, 20s and 30s as I make this in the middle of the night here in Central and South Alabama. And yes, I do feel a breeze, but the coldest morning is actually going to be not this morning, tomorrow morning, where we could see the coldest temperature since the middle of last February. On this video this morning, I'm going to show you the wild temperature ride that we're about to take over the next couple of weeks. I mean, crazy swings up and down and up again. And also, between now and Christmas Eve, I think we're looking at least 4 storm systems that I counted. All right, so let's talk about it this morning. Let's talk about first the cold and our little taste of the Arctic.
Very cold air covering much of the nation this morning, particularly cold in the heartland where the cold air is continuing to plunge in. The networks are calling it the Siberian Express. No, it's just cold air. You know, it's nothing like the polar vortex. Although, look at this in the Great Lakes. You see those blue bands? That's lake effect snow, and they're measuring snow in the feet, not the inches. And being from the Great Lakes, I know what that's like. That's crazy amount of snow. For us, no snow today. Sunshine, breezy, cold, high 46. Tonight's low 24 will be the coldest since the middle of February last year. North winds at 7 to 16 miles per hour will make it seem colder. Tomorrow, after that cold start, chilly sunshine. I think we make it into the low 50s. That's way below the normal high of 61. On Sunday, though, I think we do make it up to normal after a freezing start. Maybe some showers by Sunday night and a good chance of scattered showers Monday. Monday's much warmer, upper 60s. So what a swing in temperature over a couple of days. Tuesday, maybe a few leftover showers in between the part 1 and part 2 of the storm system, and then more scattered showers Wednesday around before it turns much colder for the latter part of next week. So another big swing in temperatures. We're looking for mid-40s today, mid-20s tomorrow morning, afternoon high in the low 50s Saturday, and then near freezing Sunday morning before 61 Sunday afternoon, and scattered showers in upper 60s on Monday. That's an incredible array of weather. And then here on the European out 10 days, you see the temperatures down first, reaching a bottom tomorrow morning, then up next week, then falling again dramatically late next week into the weekend. And the blue bars at the bottom indicating the showers Monday through Wednesday, and then the following weekend as well. Here's actual numbers printout on the European showing that cold day today, and look at the difference Monday, how it really warms up. And then we're up and down for the next 15 days. In fact, the American model, the GFS, shows the up and down pattern through Christmas Eve, the 24th. Notice we're down, then we're up next week, then down late next week into the weekend, then up again, and about 4 or 5 storm systems between now and Christmas Eve. Here is the U.S. Drought Monitor map that came out yesterday, and although the rains over the last couple of storm systems have helped the situation, still, much of the state is in a Stage 4 or Stage 5 extreme or exceptional drought situation. It's going to take a lot more rain to put a dent in the drought. With all the changeable weather over the next 16 days and through Christmas, actually, download our weather app now and stay on top of the weather with the 10-day forecast, hourly forecast. The hunters love the hourly forecast, radar, and push notifications, all my videos and tweets. And it's free in the App Store. And thanks for all your great reviews about the weather app. Tell your friends about it and pick it up today and get ready for all the changeable weather.
Boy, oh boy, I love how the national media is having a heyday with this current block of cold air, some giving it the title, The Polar Vortex Invasion. And I saw NBC Nightly News called it the Siberian Express. You know, this is nothing unusual. This is just a chunk of Arctic air coming in, and there'll be another chunk late next week, too. But the national media has to blow it up. Hey, we'll have a live update at 11 o'clock this morning from the Blue Water Weather Center. Latest on tonight's cold temperatures, new temperature guidance, in fact. And I'll look ahead at the wild ride next week and beyond between now and Christmas. Also, we'll be live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 and on Bama Country. No video tomorrow because it is Saturday. However, there will be social media posts, and we'll update you on the cold morning ahead for Saturday morning. Have a great day today. Make sure you dress up warm. Make sure the kids have warm clothes heading to the bus stop this morning. And it should be a great day for Christmas on the Coosa tomorrow. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.